Alright, well, I just got my Nettalk TK6000 in the mail, so let's see what it looks like. We got here a packing slip, and then there's the TK6000. First thing they did is they shipped it via FedEx, and then FedEx gave it to the post office. I don't know why they didn't give it just to the post office right away. It ended up taking like 10 days to get here. If they had just dropped it in a priority mail, I would have gotten it in like 2 days. So there we go. Let's see. Comes in a nice, neat little package. Looks like we got some wiring inside. 2 ports here. One says telephone, the other says Ethernet. And on the back here it says mini USB. So let me pop this open. Pops open real easy. Let's see what we got here. We got a bag here with a USB cable and a small Ethernet cable. I'm going to pull out the main part here. And there's the Nettalk deal. It says connect in 3 simple steps. I'm going to cut this out. Enough. Looks pretty cool looking. Stuck on with some glue. Looks pretty neat inside. You can see all the electrical components. Nice and shiny. It's got the MAC address and serial number in the back. Username and password on here, and I guess that's it. I don't really see any instructions unless it's in that bag. Let me go into this bag again. Let's see what's in here again. So we got we got a black cable here to connect to the computer, I guess, if you have to. We got an Ethernet wire. And then here's the adapter. Oh, I guess the black cable, yeah, connects to the USB. And then that plugs into the computer for power, I guess. Oh no, wait. You plug it in the back of here. Just like that. And that will power the Nettalk. Alright. Okay, I'm here to start up my Nettalk TK6000 for the first time. Now, according to the instructions, after you unpack it, you have to go to their website to activate your account and get your phone number. Now, one thing I was worried about was getting the phone number in my area code. I had read that a lot of people couldn't get it, and that was a real downer if that would happen. And I don't know if I warned them or not, but I did get one. When you go to their website, you go to a page where you pick your phone number and they give you a list. Luckily for me, I don't know if I got lucky or what, but there was just one phone number in my area code and I nabbed it. So I hope it all works out. The next thing here is I got the phone ready. I got a power cord and I got an Ethernet cable, and I'm all set to try it out. So the first thing it says is to plug in your traditional phone line into the TK. So I'm going to grab that and plug in my phone line. Okay. Now it says plug the internet cable from your router, which is right here. Plug that in there. That's already plugged into the router. And then it says power up the TK6000 and start saving money. So now I gotta grab the adapter, plug this end to the back of the TK, and plug this into the power cord. And a little green light comes on. And I don't know if something's supposed to happen or what. Everything's plugged in. I'm going to pick it up and see what happens. And Bubkus. Oh, there goes the phone. I was holding that thing down. There was nothing there yet. Hello? Shit. I don't think I picked it up quick enough. Well, I got a dial tone. So I'm going to call my home number on here. See what happens. I think I just remembered you have to dial 1 in the area code first. It's ringing on here. Oh, and here's my home phone ringing. Yeah, and it gives me my number that they assigned me. Alright. Okay. So now I'm going to try to call the number that they gave me. Let's see what happens. Ah, it works. Still ringing. Curious to see if any kind of voicemail answers. Well, it seems to work all right. I'll have to look into voicemail a little later. But that's it. You just saw me start it up straight from the box for the first time, and it did what it's supposed to. Well, let's just hope the calls are good and nothing screwy goes on. But that's the TK6000.